everyone, I'm here with another layout. This one is the one where I'm at the duck pond. After we ate, we go for a little walk. And my background is going to be basil cardstock. That pink layer right there is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans Horizon number 4, since they're numbered. I'm going to use this purple layer, which is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans Horizon number 21. Little layer from Tin has that purple and pink polka dotted. And I was going to watercolor them. And then I thought, well, that heart washi tape is past kit. Maybe Freckle Fawn even. I don't recall. It's been a while. So there's a picture of me after we ate, and then a selfie I took of myself, and then another one of a bird near the large pond. I guess he was just looking for fish. Alright. So the chipboard stickers are American Crafts Horizon stickers, including Dream. And those stickers are Dear Lizzie, and I am going to use some phrase stickers as well, which are going to be, ouch. Sorry, I got super glue on myself. I'm trying to pick it off. Oh. I took my bird feeder in because I put a corn cob out there because my squirrels are eating up all my bird seed, and it makes me so mad because they chase away my birds. So I put some bird seed on the tray for the corn cob because I have an old platform from an old bird feeder that the bear destroyed, and so until I purchased new bird feeders, I just used that as my bird feeder on the ground, and so I just drilled a hole and put a screw through it, and then poked the corn cob on top of that to make my own corn squirrel feeder, and that I put by the tree thinking they'd go for it, but no. He's scared of this stupid corn cob. Guess he's never been fed before, so he doesn't know what that thing is. Oh, I should have broke some off. Give him a taste of it. But maybe they'll go for it. One of my goldfish in my pond, he had tumors on him. My ex-husband brought them to me in the pond, and he said he's got tumors or something on him, and so, but he eats fine, and he finally passed away last night. I was like, oh, so I gotta go bury them. They're humongous. I purchased them as feeder fish from the pet store, where you can get 12 for $2, and I've had them for many years, many, many years. I had 7 that survived, and over the years, he said they just kind of disappeared, like something was getting into the pond. And I bought them, they were maybe an inch long, maybe 2 inches long, and they are from my wrist to my elbow long. They're humongous. Anyway, so I'm kind of disappointed that he died, but I knew it was a matter of time because he looked miserable. I mean, he swam and he did eat. Seemed perfectly happy. And then he just went to pond heaven. Anyway, so I've been trying to use this rosette forever. I to finally use it on a different layout. And so I'm trying to figure out what else I can use. But I decide that that's good enough. What I have is what I have. Oh, good, I got all that super glue off my hands. That was driving me nuts. So now it's just a matter of gluing everything down. And then that dream is going to be my title. So that's going to pretty much complete this layout. The stickers and phrases are Dear Lizzie. I think I mentioned that. And then the chipboard stickers are Horizon stickers. So I'm going to let you finish watching. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.